really don't know how this happened. So it's very sad what happened with my Whirlpool induction hob. And actually it can happen anytime, especially maybe having very active kids in the house. But I know that we have to fix it as soon as possible and already bought a new one. We decided to fix it by ourselves. So guys, in case you would experience anything like that and you would like to do it yourself as well, so maybe it's worth having a look how we did it. I'm so happy we did it and that I have my new installed induction hob in place. And I really hope that this video was useful for you, and if you liked it, give it a like. And if you find that it might be useful for someone else you might know, please share it as well. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye!